Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Klaviyo email marketing for US orders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in your dashboard. In the Accounts section, locate and select the Settings tab. Next, click on API keys from the Settings menu. You will see your existing API keys listed on this page. If no keys are present, click on the Create API Key button. Give your new API key a descriptive name for easy identification. After naming the key, click Create. Copy the newly created API key to your clipboard. Now, log into your e-commerce platform where you process US orders. Navigate to the email marketing settings of that platform. Look for an option to integrate or connect with Klaviyo. Select Connect to Klaviyo. You will be prompted to enter your Klaviyo API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Click the Authorize button to complete the connection. Once connected, configure your email preferences as necessary. Create automated flows for order confirmations and abandoned carts. Ensure all email settings align with your business goals. Lastly, test your integration by placing a test order. Confirm that the emails are sent as expected. Review analytics in Klaviyo to assess engagement with your emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.